Hello you guys, grab a set of weights. We have a fall workout coming at you. We're gonna start with our upper body. Bring your feet into your hips. Abs are tight, a little bend in your knees. Find a bicep curl. Those palms face away from the body. Breathe in and out. You got it. We're gonna add on a press over the head. So we're gonna curl, press up, elbows drop, extend through the biceps. We're gonna alternate between upper and lower body today. Good, hold this nice and low. We're gonna slide those arms, curl, drop. Same curl in the bicep, just a little bit of a different burn, but we're still finding that length. Two more. Get ready, we're gonna add on with that shoulder press. Curl, press, elbows drop, extend. That you tell me to, if you need me to be with you. Last one here. Good, hold the next one at the bottom. Palms face the body, roll the shoulders back. We're gonna slide those arms open, out, and down. Working the tops of our shoulders here. Keep it going, y'all. Lift, lower, lift. Good, give me two. Woo! Good, last one here. We're gonna go back with those palms facing front, curl and press. So we're curling in, big push. You can always take it at a slower pace, or you can work with one arm at a time, whatever you need to do today. Good, slide it out, keep going. Curl, push, drop, lower. That you tell me to, if you need me to be with you. Good, last one here. We're gonna go back to that little fly, flip the palms in. Lift, lower. Nice and easy. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Almost there, y'all. One more time. Woo! Good, give your shoulders a big roll back. We're gonna head into a little lower body section. So our feet are gonna stay underneath our hips. Little bend in those knees, low abs are tight. Starting with our right foot back. Left foot forward and meet me in a beautiful lunge. Parallel, drop the weights, shoulders back. We're just gonna drop down and up. So that back knee's tap and press. Lower and lift. Keep a 90-degree bend here in this front knee.
This is the first day of my life.
But we're focusing the energy on this back
Swear I was born right
thigh. Good.
I went out in the rain, suddenly everything changed. They're
We
spreading
have two more here.
blankets.
Good. Now hold the next one at the Vana and pulse. Down.
Yours is the first
Down.
face that I saw.
That back heel's high.
Think I was
Hips
blind
are
before
square.
I met you.
Keep it nice and small, nice and sharp.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where I've been, but I
Last
know
four,
where I
3,
want to go.
2, you're gonna hold it low, press that front heel.
So I thought
Up,
I'd let
tap
you
the
know.
heel. Little lift,
Yeah,
little
these
drop.
things take forever. I especially am slow.
Good, almost there.
But I realize that I need you, and I wonder if I
Two
could
more.
come home.
Last one. Good, stretch those legs up, shake it out, other foot forward, back from the top, full range, tap,
Remember the time you drove all night
keeping that front knee over your ankle,
just to meet me in the
sink as low as you
morning.
can, shoulders are over your hips,
And I thought it was strange, you said everything changed. You felt
2 more.
as if you just woke up.
Good. Take it down to a
You
pulse.
said, this is the first day of my life.
We got fall vibes.
I'm glad I didn't die before
Working
I
that
met
full
you.
body together. Stay low.
But now I don't
Keep
care,
breathing,
I
abs
could go
tight.
anywhere with you.
We're here
And
for
I'd
4,
probably be
3, holding it at the bottom, front heel lifts.
So if you
Little
wanna
lift,
be with me,
tap, lift,
these
tap.
things there's no telling. We just have to wait and see.
So close, y'all.
But I'd rather be
4,
working for a paycheck than
3,
waiting to win the lottery.
2, whew, last one. Good, stretch those legs.
Besides, maybe
Walk them
this
wide,
time
turn your
is
toes
different.
out.
I mean, I
Sink
really think you
and
like
squeeze.
me.
Think down an inch, only up an inch. Back is flat here, core tight, inner and outer thighs. Whew. Pulse it down. Proud chest. Keep breathing. And stretch it up. Shake it all out, you guys. Whew. All right, this is gonna be lower body and upper body combined. We're gonna walk our feet slightly wider than our hips. Drop the weights down, hinge forward, bend the knees. You're gonna sink, lift, sink, lift. Abs are tight. Squat, press. Keep the hinge for me here. We're gonna push into our glutes. Woo. Down. Shoulders away from your ears. Make sure your back is flat even at this angle. 2 more sets. Hold the next one at the bottom. Hold here. Narrow row. You're gonna row. Up. Up. Row. Row. Pull. Elbows are coming to the rib cage here. Feeling that mid back start to fire up. Woo! Keep breathing. We have 8, 6. You got 4, 3. Keep your foot tight. Arms long. Slide them open. Lift. Drop. You're still in that squat position. If it feels too wide, you can walk your feet a little bit more underneath your hips. Whatever you need to do. You got it. Lift. Drop. Good. Hold it here. Sink and lift. Sink. Press. Woo! Really pushing into your heels, the outer edges of your feet. Down. Squeeze. Down. Press. 2. Hold it low. Breathe. Zip your core. Row it back. Row. Row. Keep breathing. Rib cage close. We're here for 4. For 3, I'm with you. 2, we go back to that big fly. We fly. Out. And close. Out. And squeeze the chest. And everything falls in love. Feel free to alternate your arms if it's ever too much for you. Taking it right and then left. Falls in love. We did it, y'all. Set your weights down by your mat. For this next song, I'm gonna give you a little breather from your weights, but it's all upper body. So bring your feet slightly wider than your hips, engage your core. Press your palms out. You're gonna carve a little half circle. So for this whole song, we're gonna keep our arms elevated and just work through the chest, the shoulders, the lats, the whole shebang. Good, we're gonna take our palms up to the sky and carve it back. Carve it back. Now, we are gonna keep those arms elevated. You need to start moving those feet if that feels good. 4, 3, 2, good. Tap those wrists in and out, in and out. song, y'all. We're here. 4, 3, 2, back from the top. Carve that circle, take it high to low. Fun fact, this is the song my husband and I danced to for our first dance at our wedding. So it's got good vibes. Back to that little circle, flip your palms up. Circle, circle, just carve it out. Woo! You're here, just 4, 3, 2, we're gonna tap those wrists at the center, we tap, in. She starts to feel that burn in the shoulders. Whew. Little change here. I'm gonna take those arms up and over the head. Lift, drop, lift, drop. You're more than halfway through it, so don't give up now. 4, 3, 2. From the top, last time, carve it, up and down. Keep energy at your fingertips, like you're hitting a wall, and you're pushing energy into it with your palms. 2, and 1, palms go up, circle back. Back, like you're carving out a little pumpkin. 4, 3, 2, tap it center, right here, center squeeze. Feel that chest fire up, y'all. Final chance to work your upper body today. 4, 3, 2, catch it up and overhead, let's go, up. Shoulders away from your ears. We're heading to the floor, right after this song. Last 2, last 1. Breathe, shake it out. You guys meet me on a mat, on the floor, wherever you are. We're gonna work our booty for this final song of work. Almost the final song of work. Pull your knees in. Take one of those weights on top of that thigh. Extend it straight. Zip up your core. You're lifting. Up. Up. The range of motion can be small, but I want you to focus in on this outer glute as well as our core. Shoulders away from your ears. Feel length. Up and away from that ground. Let's go 2 more. We're gonna circle that heel. Back, back, carve it out again. Woo! If it's too much, you can lose the weight on the thigh. Good, we're gonna take a reverse through that circle, just other way for 8. Don't lose your core, full body work. We're here just 4, 3, 2, good, hold the circle, knees gonna pull in, reach out, in, keeping it parallel to the ground, just 2, 1 more, hold it out, let's go back to that circle right here, 8, like I said, lose that weight if it's too much, 4, 3, 2, reverse the circle, last push for 8. We're gonna switch sides after this, y'all. Stay with me. Just 4, 3, 2, on 1. Carefully just set that leg down. Rub out that glute. Give it a little bit of love. Press yourself up. Maybe take a little figure 4 stretch here. Push that knee forward. Open up that hip. And breathe. Let's flip on over, second side. Extend that right leg long, weight to the thigh, core tight, lift. Lift, second side. Woo! Rib cage up and away from the ground. Are you breathing? 4, 3, 2, we're gonna circle that heel, carve it back, circle back for 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, reverse the circle, carve it back, 8, 6, just 4, 3, we're gonna pull the knee in 4 times. In and reach. In and reach. 2 more. Last one. Woo! Circle it, 1 more set. Let's go. Take it back for 8. 6. You made it, y'all. Push through. 4. 3. 2. Always an option to lose the weight. Reverse it to finish. Last 8. 6. 4. 3. 2. On 1, you can set that leg down. Give it some love. Let's take that figure 4 stretch on our second side, you guys. Oh, hopefully those booties are on fire, because mine is. All right, we're gonna cool it down a little bit. So just meet me in a high plank to start this song off. Hands under your shoulders, feet go back, tuck your hips, shoulders down, little tap of the knees, down, extend, tap the knees, extend. We're here for 4. Last 2. Last 1. Hold it straight. Freeze, isometric, hold for 8. 6. 4. 3. 2. Lift your hips into a downward dog. Let those heels drop into your mat. Press your chest forward to length in your upper body and your lower body. Bend your right knee. Switch left knee. 1 more time. Right knee bends. Left knee bends. Good. Drop both heels. Start to tiptoe your feet to the center. Meeting up with your hands. Hanging heavy over those legs. Take a bend in through the knees. And rebuild the spine. 1 vertebrae at a time until you reach the top. Let's take a big inhale all the way up. Exhale, let it go. Do it 1 more time. Inhale up. Exhale, let it go. Lift those shoulders up and back. Up and back. Just 2. Standing nice and tall. Last one. Woo! Good work, you guys. Walk those feet wide. Drop your chest forward. Open up those hips, wiggle it out, dip your right shoulder. Come center, switch sides. Come back to center and stretch the legs, reach over the legs. Feel the length of the backs of those thighs. And softly bend your knees, rebuild it through the vertebrae. Give yourself a round of applause. Hope you enjoyed today's Fall Vibe. If you did, let me know in those comments below, and we'll see you back next time.